Hello all, welcome to TC Electronics. On this video, we are going to see some job openings for freshers from Quest Global. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. And also if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So in Quest Global, there's actually a lot of freshers recruitments happening. So we are going to explore all those fresher job updates. And also we know that due to this COVID situation, all these jobs will be work from home only. So let us explore these job updates from Quest Global. So this is the career site of Quest, and here you can see that there are various openings coming. So this is all around the world. Now we have to search for India. So here we are going to give the location as India, and we are going to give the search. So now you can see all those openings which are available for the location India. There are 345 openings is there, and here this will be actually for freshers and also for experienced candidates. Now if you have to see only for freshers, then you have to go to the advanced search. Now you can see here you can actually select the experience level, whether it is entry level or mid level or senior level, based on which you can actually filter out the search results. And also you can give the total years of experience. So I have selected entry level and I have given the total years of experience is 0. So the fresher updates, all the fresher updates, that is starting from 0 year to some years of experience, if they're asking, I can see all those updates. Okay, then I'm going to give search. So now you can see there is 10 results coming up for freshers, means all the fresher job updates they have listed out. Okay, so let us explore these openings. Here you can see that there is various trainee engineer post and various other posts. So we are going to see this trainee engineer post details. So the post name is trainee engineer control software engineer. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka is the location. Here the qualification they are asking is that is educational qualification is either you should be having BTech or MTech in power electronics or electronics and communication or instrumentation and control or equivalent, means all the electronics related candidates, that is electrical, electronics, EI, that is instrumentation, all those candidates can apply. Okay, it is a full-time job and the experience level is entry level and the experience is 0 to 1 year. So if you are from an electronics background, means EC, EEE and EI, all those candidates can apply for this job if you are a fresher. Okay. Similarly, for other branches also you can see there's openings. Here MRB stress engineer. Again the location is Bangalore. Here the qualification is BTech or BS, Bachelor of Science in Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineer. So mechanical related, if you are having your qualification, then you can apply here. Here also the experience they're asking is 0 plus experience, means all the freshers can apply here. Okay. So now we have seen a mechanical aeronautical related opening. Also we have seen all the electronics related openings. Similarly, if you see the other openings, you can see the qualifications they're asking for. Now, manufacturing quality engineer. Yeah, this is actually for another location. It is not India based. Okay. So again, you can see, yeah. Here there is MRB stress engineer. These are just before opening an update, just have a look on the location. Sometimes since we have given India, Indiana location can also come up. It is actually an error in the search results. Okay, but here this is Bangalore based update. You can see here the qualification is again mechanical aeronautical based experience they're asking for. Okay. Next, let us see this post, which is development and maintenance of Power BI project. That is another job update, that is job opening. Again, the location is Bangalore. Here they have asked, there is no particular branch they have asked, but they have asked some skills, that is good knowledge in Tableau and Spotfire, and also the desired skills they have asked here. So they have not asked any specific qualification here. So if you are belonging to computer science IT background, you can apply for this post. Okay. Here also the experience is 0+ year of experience. Now, in order to apply for these jobs, what you have to do is just click on this icon called apply to job. Now you can see that there are various options coming up. You can either apply with LinkedIn, or you can sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in with Google, or you can create an account in Quest and you can directly apply. Okay. If you are creating an account, you have to be ready with your resume and all, because you have to upload your resume if you are creating an account. Now, once you have created an account, you can apply for all the favorable job openings which is coming for you. You can apply for multiple that is jobs. Okay. So that is how you have to apply. Now, talking about the selection process here. So talking about the selection process here, the selection will be consisting of various stages. The first stage will be online test. For the online test, you have to cover the areas like aptitude, reasoning, all those areas. Then there will be group discussion, then there will be technical interview, and finally there will be HR interview. That is going to be the various stages of selection. Okay. So that is all about the selection process. We have seen the qualification, and also we have seen some of the fresher job updates. Now, if you are an experienced candidate, there is actually 345 openings which is coming up for India location. So experienced candidates and also freshers can apply here. Freshers mainly we have seen for electronics background, computer science, IT, and also for the mechanical, aeronautical related backgrounds. Okay. So if you are interested, please do apply for it. There's actually multiple openings. You can scroll down and you can see which are the openings coming up for you. Okay. So if you are finding any job which is favorable for you, you can apply for it. So that's all about the job update from Quest. There is no age limit they have given here. There is no year of pass out also they have asked. And also the last date for applying for these jobs they have not given. So you have to apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.